Hey, if you like what you're seeing and you like the lessons, please hit the subscribe button down below. Leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. I'm going to do a little funny little rockabilly trick here that I learned from watching the old guys play this stuff. You take your low E string and you bend it down and bring it up, so it's kind of a... What am I doing there? Okay, it's fairly simple, but it's not a game of perfect in terms of, you might not get it just right every time. It doesn't really matter because it's rock and roll. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my low E string and I'm hitting it with my pick and I'm bending it down as if I'm tuning. So you see what I'm doing there? I'm just taking the low E tuner and slacking it. Pretty effective, and I'm doing it in kind of a... So that's kind of an old school rock and roll, sort of rockabilly kind of thing, like a Carl Perkins kind of deal. You see a lot of these old guys, they didn't have a lot of devices and stomp boxes and things like that, so especially on acoustic, you got to come up with ways to make it interesting. I talked about the vibrato move, but this is another one. This kind of, some people, they hit different parts of their guitar. All those things, whether it's getting percussive with the guitar, bending stuff. Puts it out of tune sometimes, but it's okay because it's supposed to be messy and funky and rock and roll. So these are all little tips, and we're going to do a whole bunch more to kind of spice up your playing. If you like what you're seeing, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you soon.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll, rock and roll. Stay awesome and rock and roll.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.